This hair oil claims to control frizz for 24 hours, so we're going to put it to the test under the summer heat. My hair type is wavy, that's very frizzy, most of the time unmanageable, and because of the weather, humidity, it's very uncontrollable. So I got this K18 hair oil from HairMNL, and I'm going to see if it can control my frizz and keep my hair looking good for 24 hours. My schedule is so busy that I have to tie my hair the entire day, and also when I do yoga and other exercises, I have to keep it tight. So I'm hoping that this product will help me manage my hair better and at least see my waves better as well, have a more defined curl with my hair, and that's what I really want. It's currently 3 p.m. and this is how my hair looks. I really love how the product smells. It smells very good, and I noticed also how my hair feels so much lighter. It doesn't feel like it's weighing me down, and the frizz has become so much less. I still see some frizz, but it's so much less, and it's not sticking out as much as before. I'll check back in later tonight and see how my hair looks. It's almost 9 p.m. and it's been 7 hours since I last applied the oil, and I was outdoors most of the time. I noticed that my hair still feels very soft and it still smells very good. There are still some frizz, but it's much lesser than it would normally be, and also my hair feels more manageable and looks less dry. I will let you know how my hair is when I wake up tomorrow morning. 7:32 in the morning, and this is how my hair looks after waking up. It still feels very soft, and I can easily run my fingers through. Very little tangles or no tangles at all. I could still see some frizz, but again, this is less frizz than my normal hair. And I like how it's very bouncy, very manageable. And to finish the test, I will check in with you again at 3 p.m. 3:26 p.m. It is past the 24-hour mark, and this is how my hair looks. I had to add a little bit more oil before leaving the house a while ago, but overall, I can say that the product did help minimize the frizz in my hair, and I love that it made my hair so soft, which is normally coarse and dry. And I also love that I was able to let my hair down even though I was outdoors without it becoming so frizzy and out of control. It helped manage my hair, helped moisturize my hair, especially during this very humid and extremely hot weather. Try out the K18 hair oil for yourself. Get it now on HairMNL.